Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and in today's video, I'll be painting these cacti. This is the place to be if you want to learn how to paint watercolor flowers. I post a new tutorial every single week. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you about my free supply checklist. I've created a list of all of the supplies I recommend for painting watercolor flowers, so definitely check that out if you're interested. You can find it on my website, snowberrydesignco.com, or I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, I'm starting with my size 8 round brush, and I'm just painting the basic shapes of my cactus, using lots of water, and then I'm alternating the shade of green when I go back for more paint. I love that these are one solid shape, so we can really play with the color by varying the shade of green or adding more or less water to really change up the values. So once I've got all my basic shapes painted in, I'm adding in these little succulent type filler leaves near the bottom of my cacti to help fill out the painting. I really want to paint this again and add more cactus and overlap them a bit with shorter sizes in the front, but for this painting I was just playing with paint and the individual shapes for this, so I didn't get too crazy with the layering and overlapping. I'm really just adding in other things around my main cacti while I wait for them to dry. I want to make sure they're completely dry before I add in any details so that you can really see each line and they don't blend back into the main cactus. Okay, now I think they're pretty dry, so I'm grabbing my little detail brush and my darkest green, and then I'm adding in some detail lines. Now that I've got all my lines in place, I'm going in with some bleed-proof white to add in some little white spikes along my cacti. Last, I'll go back in and add more lines with my darkest green color just to add more spikes along the outside on my white paper, and then a few around where I've added these white spikes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love cactus, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you know someone who likes cacti, please share this with them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then don't forget to sign up for your free supply checklist over on my website. Thanks again for watching. Bye!